welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most important skills for personal growth, which is time management. In this video, I will share 5 detailed tips to help you manage your time better and become more productive. We all have 24 hours in a day, but how we use them can make all the difference. Good time management can reduce stress, increase productivity, and give you more time to do the things you love. So let's begin with the first tip. Prioritize your tasks. Start by making a to-do list of everything you need to do. This could be work tasks, personal errands, or even hobbies. Once you have your list, rank each task by its importance and urgency. A great method for this is the Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Let me explain you the first term, urgent and important. Urgent tasks are those that need immediate attention and have significant consequences, like answering an important phone call. Important tasks are those that contribute to your long-term goals and values, like working on a project. The second term is important but not urgent. Those tasks that are important for your long-term goals but don't need immediate action. For example, regular exercise is crucial for maintaining long-term health and fitness, but its effects are not immediately apparent. The third term is urgent but not important. Those tasks that need immediate attention but are not crucial for your long-term goals, like some emails may require immediate attention due to deadlines or urgent inquiries, but they may not contribute significantly to your long-term goals or priorities. The fourth term is neither urgent nor important. Simply, these are those tasks that have little impact on your goals and don't require immediate attention, like watching random YouTube videos is neither urgent nor important. While it may provide entertainment in the moment, but it doesn't contribute to your goals or productivity in any meaningful way. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important first. If you need to study for a test and also want to watch a movie, prioritize studying for the test. For example, if the test is tomorrow, focus on studying first. You can always watch the movie later as a reward for finishing your studies. By organizing your tasks this way, you ensure that the most important tasks are completed on time, which helps you reduce stress and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Break large tasks into smaller steps. Large tasks can be overwhelming and lead to procrastination. Divide them into smaller, manageable parts and tackle them one at a time. For instance, if you have to write a report, break it down into steps like researching, outlining, writing each section, and then editing. By focusing on one small step at a time, the task becomes more manageable and less intimidating. You can also set mini deadlines for each step to keep yourself on track. This way, you make steady progress and avoid the stress of last-minute rushes. Avoid multitasking. It might seem like you are getting more done, but multitasking can actually reduce your productivity and the quality of your work. Studies have shown that switching between tasks can decrease your efficiency and increase the chances of making mistakes. Instead, focus on one task at a time. For example, if you are writing an email, concentrate only on that until it's finished before moving on to the next task. This approach, known as single tasking, it helps you complete tasks more efficiently and effectively. It's better to complete one task well than several tasks poorly. Take breaks and rest. Working non-stop can lead to burnout and decrease productivity. Schedule short breaks between tasks to recharge. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break, it can be very effective. During your breaks, step away from your work area, stretch, or take a short walk. These activities help clear your mind and reduce stress. Also, ensure you get enough rest each night. A well-rested mind is more productive, creative, and better at problem solving. Set a clear goals for each day. At the beginning of the day, spend a few minutes writing down what you want to get done. Make sure your goals are specific and achievable. For example, instead of saying study math, say it like this: complete 2 chapters of math homework. This way, you know exactly what to do and you can see your progress. Having a clear set of daily goals helps you stay focused and gives you a sense of direction. It also allows you to track your progress throughout the day. As you complete each task, check it off your list. This not only keeps you organized but also gives you a sense of achievement, which can be very motivating. By implementing these tips, you can take control of your day, reduce stress, and become more productive. Remember, time management is not about doing more things, it's about doing the right things more effectively. Start applying these strategies today, and you will soon notice a significant improvement in how you handle your daily activities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more self-growth tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.